everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu The Seed from the 26th to the 30th of July 2021 on Monday. Matlingwane is not impressed when he is asked to perform a ritual to strengthen Nokzola's pregnancy, but he obliged. On Tuesday, Mthunzi threatened to Sheleni and intimidate him into counting or continuing to gamble on his behalf, while at Maluchu Oil, the police come to the funeral service and take Nkulego and Fikile away on Wednesday. Mandlovu suspect that Zithulele and Nokzola are hiding something. Punyuka wants custody of baby Mepo, no negotiations on Thursday. Punyuka refuses to shambok the bad spirit out of Zethu. Punyuka's family tried to shambok Mandlovu out of their house on Friday. Zethu is finally laid to rest. Tusheleni's gambling comes at a price when Mthunzi shows up at Msam looking for Tusheleni, scaring Lindo and Bobby in the process. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.